Rotating your LG monitor 90 degrees switches it to portrait orientation, perfect for tasks like coding and document editing that benefit from vertical space. For hardware, ensure your LG monitor supports VESA mounting and has a pivot stand that allows 90-degree rotation. LG has not widely adopted motorized rotation like some competitors. Software adjustments are needed in Windows or Mac operating systems to match the physical rotation and ensure proper display. First, confirm your LG monitor supports rotation. Check the model specifications for pivot or VESA mount compatibility. These are essential for physical rotation. For monitors with built-in stands, unlock the pivot mechanism. Physically rotate the panel 90 degrees and secure it in place. If using a VESA mount, ensure your wall mount or arm supports 90-degree swivel. Note that physical rotation remains limited to VESA-compatible models. In Windows 11, begin by opening the Settings app. Navigate to Settings, then select System and click on Display. In the Display settings, select your LG monitor from the list. From the Orientation drop-down, select Portrait to rotate the monitor 90 degrees. For advanced settings with Intel GPUs, use the Intel Graphics Command Center to fine-tune rotation. For NVIDIA GPUs, open the NVIDIA Control Panel for rotation controls. For AMD GPUs, access the AMD Radeon settings to manage monitor rotation. Make sure your graphics drivers are up to date for optimal rotation performance. The 2025 Windows 11 update automatically applies scaling adjustments to prevent text distortion during rotation. On macOS Sequoia version 15.0, open System Settings and navigate to Displays. Select the Arrangement tab to access monitor positioning options. Drag the monitor icon to rotate it 90 degrees for portrait orientation. macOS automatically adjusts resolution and scaling to prevent distortion. For older LG models, third-party apps like SwitchRex provide additional rotation options. macOS Sequoia includes seamless integration with Apple Silicon Macs for smooth orientation changes. Access your LG monitor's OSD using the buttons on the device. Look for a rotation or orientation option under Picture Settings. Select 0 degree, 90 degree, 180 degrees, or 270 degrees as needed. Newer 2025 LG models sync OSD rotation with OS settings to avoid conflicts and screen artifacts. When troubleshooting rotation issues on your LG monitor, start by checking for common problems. If you see distorted images or black bars, ensure your resolution is compatible. For example, rotating a 1080p monitor changes the resolution from 1920 by 1080 to 1080 by 1920. If your monitor doesn't natively support the new resolution, software-only rotation can cause performance issues like lag or artifacts. For optimal performance, update your graphics drivers. Use Device Manager on Windows or manufacturer software to ensure compatibility. High refresh rate displays like 144 Hz models may require driver tweaks to avoid flicker after rotation. Many professionals use portrait mode for coding, document editing, and content creation. Studies show a productivity boost in text-heavy tasks. For instance, the LG 27UN8AB is used in dual-monitor coding setups, increasing productivity by 20%. Gamers also use rotation for vertical HUDs in strategy games, enhancing immersion. However, OLED variants sometimes exhibit slight color shifts in portrait mode. Vertical monitor usage is growing rapidly, with 15 to 20% of monitor sales now featuring pivot compatibility for tasks like coding and document editing. Future monitors may integrate AI-driven auto-rotation features, automatically detecting physical rotation and adjusting operating system settings without manual intervention. While LG lags behind competitors like Dell in fully motorized rotation, their current models still support manual pivot for portrait orientation. Sustainability trends favor energy-efficient rotations, with LG's 2025 models reducing power draw by 10% in portrait orientation compared to landscape mode.